Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Synth1 along with 16k presets. And in my last video I've shown you on how to get this plugin and presets. So we're gonna fix this today. We're gonna do everything from the beginning. Okay, we're gonna install the plugin and then we're gonna install the presets so that I cover everyone's problem. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, click the link in the description and it will bring you to this page. It has also the features and description about this plugin as well as how to install it, just in case if you want to read it. In here you can download Synth1 from this link and the 16k preset from here. First of all, let's go download the Synth1. So if you click this link, it will bring you to this page. It should be on Japanese, so use Google Translate to convert it into English. Click here, okay, and it will convert the page into English. Anyway, just scroll down a bit and in here you're gonna find download section. We have for Windows and for Mac. So download for Windows is here. You can see, do not download this, don't mess thing up while downloading, otherwise you won't be able to install it. So for Windows you have both 32-bit and 64-bit, and for Mac you have this I don't know, I don't know the mechanics of Mac, but yeah, here it is. Here's the Mac link. I'm gonna just go ahead and download this, the first link, and it is downloading. So we have downloaded the synth plugin. Now let's go ahead and download the presets. Download. I have already downloaded the presets, so let's go check it out. So after downloading both the files, the Synth1 and the presets, you have to extract it. In Windows 11 you have a pre-installed extractor, but you can also use WinRAR if you are not on Windows 11. So make sure you have extracted both of these files. After extracting, let's go ahead and install Synth1. So in here we have the folder. What we're gonna do is just copy the file. We're gonna go to C drive. I'm gonna go to program files, and then I'm gonna go to VST Plugins folder right here, and then I'm gonna just paste it right here. Okay. Alright, so now we have installed the Synth1. Let's load up our FL Studio. Let's check if that everything works fine. We're gonna go to option, we're gonna go to file settings, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on manage plugins. Just in case if you want a complete video on how to install plugins on FL Studio, I also have video on that. It should be on the description or it should pop up right now, so do check that out too if you have any other problems. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and click in here, find install plugins, and let's give FL Studio some time to scan the plugins. Depending on your system, this is gonna take a while. In my case, it will take a while for me. So it has done scanning, and you can see all the newly plugins should be highlighted with yellowish color. So we have successfully installed the plugin. It's right here. Now we're gonna close this. Let's load up our channel rec, and it should bring 3 options. We're gonna go on installed, and then we're gonna go on new, and it should load up the newly installed plugin. So we can just right click on it and then go to open a new channel, and it should load up the plugin. Now let's go ahead and install the presets. Now if you click on this button right here, click here options, and in here you have to locate the folder where you have extracted the presets. So in my case, I kept it on my desktop, so I'm gonna just go ahead and browse that. Here it is, demo. In here we have this presets. Okay, now you can select any of this folder, and this is gonna load up all the presets inside the folder. Now if you click here, it load up all the files inside that specific folder. Okay, you have to do it manually, all those folders, Now let's see if the sound actually works. Oops, let's go to the melody, lo-fi, just copy this, put it right here, and let's see. Anyway, so this is how you install the presets. I'm on FL Studio 2024, so this works. There is no bug, nothing like that. I have seen so many of you guys complaining about the RAR doesn't work, this and that. Well, this is how you do it. This is pretty much it. I really hope this video helps again, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. I'm out.